So hello guys, this is another weekend. So today I'm going to Rhode Island with my friends. So I would be driving the car for the first time on, and that too it has been snowing the entire day previously. So let's see how I would be able to drive. So my friend Akshay is going to come in like 10 minutes. Then we and both of us will be going to pick up the car. Then we will be picking the others, and then we'll be driving straight to the Rhode Island. So we have some plans like we are going to pick some apples in some particular farm. Then we are going to go to some zoo, then casino, then kayaking, and then do a Oceanic road ride. Sorry, and then at the end we are going to have an awesome Indian buffet at Wawachi restaurant, and then we are going to come back at home, and then we are going to party today. So let's see how it goes. भाई बहुत ठंड है यार, बहुत. It's pretty cold out here, and Akshay as usual is like around 20 minutes late. So he had to come at my house at 8:15 and it's 8:35. So instead of him coming at my house, I came at his house. So already it's 20 minutes late, and it's like 30 to 40 minutes walk to go and pick up the car. So it's going to be pretty tedious task, and let's see if he's able to make it or not. I've called him 2 times currently, and he's still wearing clothes. Like how long he's going to take. अक्षय पूरे आधे घंटा लेट, 1 घंटा लेट, 1 घंटा लेट है, पता नहीं. फाइनली आ गया अक्षय. साले 1 घंटा लेट है तू रात को पैक करके. ओहो ऑल सेट. हाँ मैं ऑल सेट है हमेशा से. ये देखो फाइनली आ गया 1 घंटा लेट. So hi guys, so the funniest thing is like today I won't be driving the car. Mr. Akshay would be driving the car right here. So we had a terrible experience with Hertz. So what happened, last week only I passed my learner's test, so driving test, and so they signed a document and saying that this is your valid license for another 60 days until your proper license comes. So the proper license will come in like 2-3 weeks or more. So we booked the car considering that since this is a learner's permit, it will work as a proper driving license. And so we went to hers, and they were not ready to accept it, saying that this is not a license, you need a proper hard copied license. So that was a very terrible experience. And the most interesting thing, Akshay does not have a license, nor he passed the test. He also has a learner's permit, and I did not bring my Indian license, so Akshay brought the Indian license, and they accepted Indian license though he was invalid. So both of us Indian license are currently invalid, it cannot work in the United States. But Hertz accepted it and did not even verify whether the Indian license was acceptable or not. So Hertz can accept an expired international license, but they cannot accept a valid US license. So it was so funny that really we had a terrible experience with Hertz. I think so I'm not going to ever rent a car from them. Really, it's very bad policies and very bad people. Guys, we are having breakfast from McD right here. इसको क्या हो गया? सॉस. अरे इसको सॉस इसको कौन सा सॉस चाहिए था? बफेलो सॉस चाहिए था, और इसको बेचारे को बारबेक्यू सॉस दे दिया. देखिए अब जा रहे हैं सॉस मांगने के लिए. So guys, the most baddest thing on the trip you can imagine happened with us. That car got malfunction. So I was driving the car, and suddenly the red light came. So I did a emergency stop. I put the brakes on. So I was driving at 30 miles per hour, and then I put the brake immediately. And so after that, suddenly smell of gas started coming on, and and it was weird smoke. I don't know why it's happening. The engine light is on, so I think there's something serious malfunction, but I do not know what happened. The car is just weird. You know, like I was driving and I put an emergency brake. It was not a bad of a brake, but yep, still, and the car is bad. Really means we drive cars and we put so many brakes and never anything happens. Like such a weird thing, you know, such a weird thing. But nonetheless, we arrived. It's 2:30. We are little like an hour behind of the schedule, but anyways, we arrived at the zoo. So this is the Roger Williams Park Zoo right here. So all of us are going to washroom. I just came back and now we are going to start. Shubham, hello. अक्षय किधर है? अक्षय है ही नहीं?
अलग से अपना वीडियो निकाल।
किधर है घूम रहा है? ये हेलो। So guys, we finally came at the Rhode Island airport, the Providence airport in the Rhode Island. So Hertz, at least after 1 hour and 2 hours of waiting, they listened to us and they gave a replacement car. So the problem with the car still existed. The white smoke was coming when we were accelerating and there was sharp drop in fuel percentage. So I do not know, maybe it's a fuel reflector. So we wasted like half of a day behind this bloody car. Like it was really not working, but nonetheless we came to the Hertz and guess what, which car we got? Dodge Challenger. So currently we had 2 more plans, like we had to go to kayaking and then we had to go to Oceanic Drive, but since it's 5:30 and already sun is setting, so we won't be going to those things. Maybe some other time we would be going, but let's see if it's fine. Let's go. Finally the issue of the car has been solved and we are on the move again. So Shubham is taking some photograph of the car for Instagram, right Shubham? Right? We need some photograph for the Instagram.
अगर ये YouTube पे आ गया ना
YouTube पे आ गया तो
तो गया है तू, मैं तेरे अनसब्सक्राइब कर देगा तेरे को।
So we arrived at Prospect Terrace to the view. Since we cannot go to kayaking, now we can go to see the oceanic view. So we arrived at Prospect Terrace. So here we are going to enjoy the beautiful sunset behind me, which already happened. So we are late for everything. So let's see what we can do for now. So guys, we have, after like driving for an hour, we have finally arrived at Bawarchi Biryani right here, which we have waited for months. Let's see how the few days. So officially our trip got ended. So after having delicious dinner at Bawarchi restaurant, we just headed for casino. And the most funniest thing happened at casino, like we did not have any cash, so we were trying to find an ATM, and Akshay right here was just making turns about Anchor for 3 or 4 times. We were just going round and round in front of Anchor and not able to find ATM, but at last we found ATM, got some cash and went into Anchor. So we enjoyed playing. So now we just dropped our car off to the place where we picked it up, and we waited for around 20 minutes and we could not find any Uber or Lyft. As usual, it always happens with me when I'm returning late at night in Boston currently. So we have to walk towards our house. It's like 30 to 40 minutes. So yeah, and then we had some exciting dinner at night. So here we are going back home in darkness.
तेरा